The driver drives the car at uniform velocity along the road. The driver sees a hazard and applies brakes. What is the car's motion as it moves through thinking distance, as it moves through the braking distance, right? So thinking distance is the reaction time, okay? And the perceiving of the hazard, right? And it takes time, right? The reaction time, or the normal human reaction time. That's what is referred to as thinking time, right? And then the braking distance is the distance the car traveled. So for example, if it applied brake at this point, then of course it should stop at this point, right? So this distance from here to here is called braking distance. The distance that has been traveled during the braking, okay? And the thinking distance is the distance traveled while during the reaction time, okay? So what's happening during those distances? So motion through the thinking distance is the uniform velocity, of course, because the human mind is perceiving that something is hazardous in front of us, right? So that is the car will still be at the same velocity, okay? Because the decision hasn't been made by the driver right yet. So the uniform velocity through the thinking distance, and then while you're braking, the car will decelerate, okay? Car will decelerate. The correct option is option C.